Just imagine the scene. You sent a package, you're excited to get it, and on the top, where it normally says fragile, there's a cross through it. It says built for life. First things first, join me as we cut the package open. Let's get inside, see what comes inside the box, take a look at some of the package and the contents, then we'll get into using the device, some of its key features, speak about them a bit, but this is really a phone that's built for affordability and really to be life-proof. First things first, it's a neat packaging experience. It's got built-in NFC. The one I've got at the moment is in the velvet black color, but it also comes in a beautiful gold color as shown on the box. You also see it's got 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM, but enough about that. Let's open the plastic here. Let's actually see what comes inside the box. Breaking it open, it's always a satisfying experience. You've got to love taking the plastic off, getting into the meat and bones. Let's throw that aside. The box looks great in the hand, but more importantly, what comes inside the box. And as I mentioned, I'm not going to be very careful with this one because we don't need to be. With an IP65 rating, it's got a 6,500 milliamp hour battery, so you're going to get some seriously impressive performance. On the top of the box, you first greeted with the device. Here's some of the key features. 50 megapixel dual camera with AI edit. It's got, as I mentioned, a 6,500 milliamp hour battery with 35 watt. That's fast charging. It means you'll get it from 0 to 50% in very quick timing. It's got water and drop resistance. And it's also got a free charger as well as TPU cover included in the box. Now in the hand, it actually feels incredibly good. The rounded edges, it's slim. You've got over on the back here your camera bump and layout. You've got the flashlight here. You got the lenses, it really looks the part. Of course, USB Type-C, you got your speaker over at the bottom, power button, as well as volume rocker. It looks neat. What you're also getting though in the box here, let's take a look. You get an Honor SuperCharge charge block, more than many high-end devices get. And bear in mind, this comes in under 4,000 Rand. It's got some impressive features, as I said, the 35 watt charging. You've also got a USB Type-A to Type-C sync charge cable included. And if we go into the packaging here, well, you also get a TPU molded style case. So just if you want to keep this gorgeous looking black, which has got a matte finish, looking that bit extra neat, great to see Honor have included this straight out of the packaging. That gets rid of the unboxing experience. So now let's take the plastic off and start using the device. Taking a look around the device, well, you've got a dedicated AI button over at the side here, which you can also use to jump into other applications. You can customize the button. You've got a power button, a volume rocker. At the bottom of the device, you've got a speaker, a SIM tray, as well as a USB Type-C port. But it's also looking at the screen. It looks more vibrant. It's also got 84% better optimization of the GPU than that of its predecessor. It's got Honor's own turbo RAM, making it faster, more snappy for handling applications, and well, the camera's been improved as well. This is the first time we're jumping into it, but let's take a look at some of the performance, the optics, and I think you'll agree it's going to be pretty impressive. The 50 megapixel camera is built to perform, and it does that. You've got a whole array of different shooting modes. Clarity is on point. I'm excited to spend a bit more time using it. There's a pro mode here. You've got the likes of slow mode, high resolution. You can scan documents. It's got a lot of the clever Honor applications, as well as you can enjoy the full benefits of Magic OS 9 out of the box. It's got the likes of Honor's own built-in AI, and it's overlaying Android-based 15 out of the box. So you find you're getting bang up to date, the latest of software, you're getting the latest security patches. It's running a Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 mobile chip here with 6 gigs of RAM plus Honor RAM Turbo, an additional 6,500 milliamp hour built-in battery. It's dual SIM, but it's packing some seriously impressive performance. And what I like about Honor's Magic OS, it's not too intrusive. It's quite a basic overlay that you get used to easily and doesn't bog down the phone in terms of performance. With some 84% overall improvement in the GPU based on that of its predecessor. Finally, what does the Honor X7b cost you? Well, it's sold for 3,999 Rand. So for below 4,000 Rand, what you're getting here is a piece of impressive, let's say, democratized technology. And wow, if you want a phone that's life-proof and that you don't need to handle with too much care, but yet will keep giving you all the required specifications and features, it delivers.